how to update Sygic Maps. Hello, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, you will learn how you can update Sygic Maps. So how do you go about this? The first step is for you to log in into your Sygic application, just like I've done here. And then once you're logged in and you're brought to your home page, the next step is to move to the top left corner of the screen and then click on the 3 horizontal lines so that you can see there. Then in the page displayed, the next option will be for you to click on offline maps in order to go to your Sygic Maps. And then you'll see all of your maps displayed. So in order to update this map on this page, if there is a latest update on the maps, by the right side of the screen, you will see the option update next to them. Just click on that, tap on the update button, and then wait for the download to finish. And then once the download has been finished, the app would be updated. So to further customize the settings of your maps, move to the top right corner, click on the settings icon, and then you will see the option for you to download the map information and then to see also if there is a recent update. So that is it. So this is basically how you can update Sygic Maps. So ensure that you check regularly to see if there's a recent update, and if there is, click on the update button on the map that you would like to update, and then the map will be updated. So thank you for watching and have a good day.